Gone are the days when video game remakes were just visual upgrades. Today's best remakes are full-blown reinventions, honoring the classics while retooling them for a new generation of gamers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech and gaming news. Whether you're nostalgic for PS2 glory or discovering legends for the first time on PS5, PC, or Switch, these 5 remakes aren't just replays, they're whole experiences. With Resident Evil 4 Remake, Capcom pulled off the impossible. It took a near-perfect game and somehow made it better. With terrifying new set pieces and jaw-dropping visuals, Resident Evil 4 Remake is survival horror at its peak. Every gunshot hits harder, every enemy is more menacing. Then, Final Fantasy VII isn't just a remake, it's a bold reimagining. Final Fantasy VII Remake dives deeper into Midgar, reworks iconic characters, and rewrites destiny. It's cinematic, emotional, and action-packed, setting the stage for one of the most ambitious RPG trilogies ever made. Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater gets a fresh coat of polish too. Snake Eater returns with stealth mechanics updated for modern players while staying true to Kojima's Cold War masterpiece. It's the perfect entry point for newcomers and a nostalgic triumph for longtime fans. The Last of Us Part 1 is built from the ground up. This remake isn't just prettier, it plays better too. With refined AI, smoother combat, and next-gen fidelity, The Last of Us Part 1 feels like the definitive version of a modern classic. And at last, Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1+2 brings back the skateboarding golden age. This love letter to arcade-style skating blends the best maps and moves from the series with buttery smooth gameplay, plus the soundtrack still shreds. So whether you're into survival or sick kickflips, there's never been a better time to revisit gaming's greatest hits. Which one are you choosing first? Let us know in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.